Today our video is about Quantitative Maths Entry Test Series part number 3. The topics that we are going to cover is related to average and the word problem. Hope this video will help you a lot. Now question number 1. If x plus y is equals to 6, y plus z is equal to 7 and z plus x is equals to 9, what is average or arithmetic mean of x, y and z? Options are 11 by 3, 22 by 3, 11 by 2 or 11. Now we will solve it. We know the formula of averages, that is average is equals to sum of numbers divided by total number. Now what we will do, we will add the numbers, that is x plus y plus z plus x, and we will add the related numbers to them also. 6 plus 7 plus 9. Here we get 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 22. We take 2 common, x plus y plus z is equals to 22. So we have the values of x plus y plus z is equals to 11. Now we have to take the average of x, y and z. So average is we add x, y and z divided by the total number. Now we have calculated the value of x plus y plus z, that is 11. We write 11 and divided by 3. So we get the answer 11 by 3. The option A is the right answer for it. Question number 2. What is average of 2 power 10 and 2 power 20? Now as we know, average is we will add the numbers 2 power 10 plus 2 power 20 divided by 2, because there are two numbers 1 and 2, so divided by 2, and we can write it as 2 power 10 divided by 2 power 1 plus 2 power 20 divided by 2 power 1. So we get 2 power 9 plus 2 power 19. Now question number 3 is the average of 7 consecutive numbers is 20. What is sum of numbers? We know the formula, average is equals to sum of numbers divided by total numbers. Now we substitute the values. The average is 20. Sum of numbers we have to find. Total number is 7. We cross multiply it, so we get 140 is equals to sum of numbers. Question number 4. If 16a plus 16b is equals to 48, what is the average of a and b? Now we will write 16a plus 16b is equals to 48. We take 16 common, we get a plus b is equals to 48. The values of a plus b is equals to 48 divided by 16, which is equals to 3. Now what we will do, we have to find the average of a and b. Average of a and b means we add a and b and we will divide it by 2. So a plus b, the value we have calculated, that is 3, we substituted here, divided by 2, we get the answer 1 by 5. Hope this is easy for you. Now question number 5. Average of 8 numbers is 31. 7 of them are 15, 45, 17, 19, 33, 48 and 65. What is the 8th number? Now again we will keep in mind the formula of average, that is equals to sum of numbers divided by total numbers. Now average is given, it is 31. Sum of numbers, we have 7 values. We write x as the 8th value. We add them, we get 242. Divide by total number, that is 8. 8 will be multiplied with 31. We get 248. By adding these numbers, we get 242 plus x. From here, we find the value of x, that is equals to 6. Question number 6 states the average of 5 consecutive even numbers starting with 4 is, we have to find the average. Now the consecutive even numbers that are starting with 4, it means 4 is even number, then 5 is odd, we take 6, 7 is odd, we take 8, then 9 is also odd number, we take 10, 11 is odd number, we take 12. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are 5 consecutive even numbers, and we will divide it by total numbers. Total numbers are 5 and we get the average of it. It is 40 by 5, that is equals to 8. Now here what we have to be careful or focus on is the consecutive even numbers. This is the key point here. Now, question number 7. A family with 6 members has an average age of 25, while a family of 9 has an average of age of 35. The combined average of both families will be, the options are 30, 39, 34.93 or 31. Now, how we will solve it? Combined average is equal to 6 multiplied by 25. Family with 6 members, average is 25. 6 multiplied by 25 plus 9 multiplied by 35. 9, family of 9, average age was 35. We multiply like this, divided by total number. Now total number is 6 members in one family and 9 members in the other family. That gives us 15. We solve the above portion. We get 150 plus 315, that is 465 divided by 15. So we get, by solving it, 31. So D is the correct answer of this question. Number 8 states the mean marks of 10 boys in a class is 70%, whereas mean marks of 15 girls is 60%. The mean marks of all 25 students is, options are 60%, 64%, 55% or 52%. Now how we will solve it is very simple. We just have to do like this. Mean marks is equals to 10 multiplied by 70, because 10 boys and 70 is the mean marks. So plus 15 multiplied by 60. 10 into 70 plus 15 into 60 divided by total number of students is 25. Here we get 700 plus 900 divided by 25. 1600 divided by 25. We get 64%. So option B is the correct answer. Now we have to calculate the average of 8, 7, 12, 15 and 11, and the options are 10, 11, 10.6 or 12. Now this is the simplest most question, and we solve it. We add the values and we divide it by total number. We get 53 divided by 5, that is 10.6. The questions of averages, you just have to keep in mind the formula, that is average is equals to sum of numbers divided by total numbers, or mean is equals to S, this stands for sum, divided by n, the number, or sum of S divided by n of S. This is the key point of solving the questions of averages. Hope you will find this video very helpful in solving the questions in your entry test. So best of luck and thank you.